I'm starting a new series on how to screen print onto women's pantyhose. Here's some quick experiments on my first attempts. Lucky these things come in twos. For the pug, I rolled up a sheet of paper and inserted it into the stocking. Whoops, the paper stuck. For the image of Audrey Hepburn, I first silkscreen onto this jelly printing plate, slipped the pantyhose onto the leg form, and lastly pressed the image onto the form. I had a difficult time forming the plate around the curves. As you can see, it kept slipping and gave me double images. Still not too bad. For the other images, I used a cardboard insert as a surface to screen on. As you can see, the pantyhose slips and stretches easily on the form. Maybe rubber bands or spray adhesive can help. The type of image seems to make a big difference. Images with thick, bold lines look better than thin lines or halftone, as in the grasshopper and pug stencils. Maybe there's a technique that can help. In this series, I will experiment with types of images that work best, how to hold a stretchy fabric still, and what happens to the image if the fabric is stretched and distorted, among other things. Screen printing on pantyhose fabric is especially challenging because of its stretchy nature and the open nylon weave. So be sure to check back regularly and subscribe. Leave any suggestions in the comment area below. Are those snags, or are they supposed to be there?